We are here at Sheldon, and as you can see behind me, we have so much activity thanks to Advisors Excel. So we just want to say thank you, Advisors Excel, for making this happen. This is incredible. Relationships just galore, access and exposure, all because of Advisors Excel. We thank you.
We are really excited. We had nominated our partners Advisors Excel for the Kansas Head Start Association Excellence in Community Service Award, and we are not surprised, but they have won that award. So we are here today to celebrate them. For me, it was a way for us to give back to them. More than thank you, that everyone recognizes that you are an amazing community partner and what you do for the school community.
Each year, we collect nominations from all of the Head Start programs across Kansas in a variety of areas, one of those being community partners. And I wish every program in Kansas could have an Advisors Excel in their community.
I do want to say we're so grateful to all of our staff at Advisors Excel who have donated their time. We love our Sheldon Sharks and we love supporting the staff here and the kids here and their families any way that we can.
We love them so much. Every event that we have here is truly a joy. Our staff love the school so much, and any volunteer opportunity, any event that we can participate in with the school, we are so happy to join forces with them. It's truly a blessing.
Thank you.